Welcome to Timberland Farms. My name's Anthony. Behind me is my dump trailer, and with me is my dog Timber. Somebody's really excited and happy to be in video today, pushing me all over. But I found a couple rattle cans of paint left over from another project I've had in the past, and got some free time with the trailer here, so I figured I'll give this thing a little bit of a facelift. Not gonna get too far in depth. I'm not gonna prime it or anything. I'm not gonna sand it down. Just gonna get rid of the big flaky rust and put lipstick on a pig. But let's get at it. So I'm still going to have to go through and replace some pieces on the door. We'll save the door skin, patch up this crack here within the door skin because it comes up and rolls over. We're going to replace this square tube as well as this piece on the bottom, just like we did on this door here. This is new here as well as these two pieces. Brand new hinges, so I got another set of brand new hinges to go on this one. That'll be for a different day, but I'm going to rough this up, get this so I can at least paint it, and go from there. So this is the paint that I have left over. I think two of these cans are partials, and I think one's brand new, fresh. So we're going to paint this. I just hosed it down, wait for it to dry. I went through and accelerated the drying process with help with a torch. This is a MAP gas torch, a little bit hotter than propane. And I just quickly went over an area and heated it up a little bit, get it to dry up a little bit quicker. I did the tailgate and I did this section here. Hopefully this section in the middle will both be mostly dry by the time I get the first coat on those two sections there. But I like to pause here for a second to let you guys know that there's new merch in my website on my store. You can find the store at www.timberlandfarmsny.com. In that store we have t-shirts as well as these hats, and just released we have two new hoodies. We're out of stock on a couple different colors, but we have most things in stock ready for you to pick up and get ready just for fall. So I'm doing this today. I was planning on doing this over the summer, but ran out of time. I was planning on doing this earlier, but I'm going to do it now before it gets too cold. The temperature of the paint needs to be about 50 degrees or higher. Today's luckily about 65 as a high, so today's probably one of the last few days that we're going to be able to accomplish this goal. Just going to put lipstick on a pig. Also, I want to let you guys know that there will be a live stream video probably next Wednesday. After I release this video, there'll be next Wednesday. I'm not exactly sure of the date yet. So not this coming Wednesday, but the following Wednesday. There'll be a live stream for you guys to do a Q&A. Probably be about 5 or 6 p.m. Stay tuned. I'll leave more information. I'll make a post on it the night before and a couple hours before that as well. So you guys can get in there and chat with me on the live stream. If you guys got any questions, and feel free, whether it's what kind of machines I run, where did I pick things up, how many animals I have, what our animals' names are, what my plans are for the future, whatever you can think of. what our dogs' names are, where did I grow up, stuff like that. So I figured I'd get in touch with you guys, and you guys can get in touch with me, and we can go from there. But let's get back to it. This one's a fresh one. So this can's so big it takes 2 hands to shake it effectively. And it goes on amazing. Just look at this quick swath. I love these cans. Look at that. It's amazing what it does. There's a little bit of moisture still underneath the paint, but it looks like it's coming through and sticking on the outside, so I don't think we're gonna have much issue. Like I said, this is lipstick on a pig. Just to get through this winter, I usually have to do this once a year, and it doesn't seem to matter how much effort I put into it, I end up with the same result 1 year later. So minimal, just to get it down the road looking nice. I can clean off the taillight lenses with some brake clean or acetone or something at a later time. Don't have to worry about it right this second. These new dump trailers are so darn expensive anymore. A new trailer like this, exact of this one, this is a 2014. You get a 2024, something that's 10 years newer, $12,000. And then you got to factor in tax on top of that. I think I got like $40 worth of paint here and a wire cup on an angle grinder. Just can't justify it. I mean, I still got 2 more sides to do. I'll probably do them tomorrow, and I won't need to include that in the video. And slap some stickers on here, just like these guys, along the bottom and up the side there. as well as the length of the trailer. Help get this a little bit better distinguished. I might put some reflectors that are about the same size as the tail lights and put them up underneath the trailer. Hi there, buddy. Good boy. So we'll get this all taken care of, but looks good. I think one more can will get us. We'll get this thing touched up real nice. I think Timber approves. What do you think? You think that's a good paint job? It's lipstick on a pig, so it ain't gotta be perfect. It's a dump trailer. It gets beat. It gets abused. It gets roughed on. It gets roughed up quite a bit. So we're gonna slap another coat of paint on there and call it a day. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. I think that's going to wrap up our video today. If you can do me a huge favor and go visit our Facebook page and give that a like, give you guys updates for stuff like the live stream update and what's happening here on the farm on a regular occurrence. A little bit more frequent than just one weekly video. Sometimes two videos in a week, but that's kind of tough with my work schedule and how everything is working so far. We're still trying to get systems in place so everything gets done a lot more efficiently. But other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. That does huge favors. It doesn't cost you anything. Helps the channel out tremendously. And I'm going to end it here. So happy. Oh, the puppies. Bombarded with ovens. Oh, ovens. What are you talking about? Easy. Oh, dog pile. Literal dog pile. Oh. Absolutely marvelous. Hey, Timber, do you think this is worth more than $1? Don't wink at me. I think you think it's worth $1. How about 2? Isn't she magnificent? If it was a poop, I want to flush it.